Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is sad and heartbreaking. Devil's motorcycle accident, and he is no more in this world. So we have a sad review on this news. So before moving to the news, it is our request to subscribe our channel. Subscribe now, like this video, and share with friends. University of Arizona swimmer Tavels died, and university sources confirmed, and they say on the behalf of entire University of Arizona community, I want to extend our heartfelt condolences to Tav family, friends, relatives, and others who loves him. And there is still confusion about the cause of death. Some says he died due to motorcycle accident, and others say the cause of death is not confirmed. The family members still not announced about the cause of death, and as soon as we will receive the news, we will share with you. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel, like this video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.